Hi, you get my face this week. I was talking to someone last week and they said, it's all very well for you, Jeeve, going on about Canva, but I'm not a graphic designer, I'm a novelist. What is the easiest way for me to be able to use Canva to promote my book? And I thought about it. I'm not a graphic designer either. I learned how to use Canva just by using it. So I thought templates. Templates is the answer. That is the easiest way for you to start using Canva to make images to promote your book. So that's what we're going to talk about today. But before we do that, please hit the subscribe button. I post these every fortnight. So you'll have forgotten that they're coming. And so if you hit the subscribe button, YouTube will remind you. And also if you hit the like button, that helps YouTube do its algorithm thing. Anyway, let's go and look at Canva. We're going to start by opening a new file. So let's go and make a Twitter design just because that's what I'm used to. Generally speaking, an Instagram square works quite well on Twitter and on Instagram. Once this is open, you'll see on this side, it says templates and styles. Styles you probably won't have just yet. I've got a few, but let's not worry about that. Okay, so templates is what you need. And there are loads and loads of different templates. So basically, real graphic designers have done the whole visual balance and hierarchy and all of that stuff that you need to worry about when you're a graphic designer, and made these templates for us to use. So what we can do is we can take these and then we can change them. Now there's a bewildering array here of templates, and how do you choose? So you can either search by searching for quote, for example, or you can search by color. So if your book cover is blue, for example, you can click blue, apply filters, and it'll just pull up blue pictures and blue templates, which is a useful and quick way to narrow it down because sometimes there's just too much. The other way you can do it is to put in keywords. Right, let's go for clear all. You can put in, say, quote. It'll give you a whole list of quote style templates. So this is quite a nice one. Let's use these ones. You are looking for ones that don't have a crown. If they have a crown, you have to be a pro subscriber to get it. And if you're starting off with just the free level, you don't have that. So without a crown. I quite like this one. Let's go with that. All right. So here you've got a quote. You've got your quote attribution. There's something else there that I can't even read because my eyesight is so bad. A website and some other things and a picture. So first of all, let's delete the picture. So double click on it to select and then delete. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into uploads and I'm going to find my book cover, or just any book cover. There we go. That'll do. Picture perfect. That's my latest one. In fact, what I might do is I might just delete that frame entirely. There we go. Okay. And then here you can select this and then you can delete what it says there and put in a quote about your book. So it's good practice when you do a blog tour or even just when you get your first reviews to just lift bits that you can quote from it. So, for example, or maybe this one, a fake dating rom-com that is sweet and swoon-worthy. Let's go with that. Okay. So you go in here and then you paste it. So Control C for copy, Control V for paste. There we go. And that's pasted my thing in. And then I could maybe change that to NetGalley Reviewer. Let's make it big so I can see it. NetGalley. And maybe we don't need that. So you can just delete that if you don't want it. shrink it back. And you can put your own URL there if you want. So that's, you have to click the link button. I think it opens it, and you can put in your own link there. Oh, nope. And put your own stuff in. I'm just going to leave my Twitter thing in and take everything else out because I don't do Instagram. I know I should, but I don't. There. All right. And then you can move this up. And then delete the bits that you don't want. Keep the bits that you do want to keep. You can change the size of them. You can, if you want, add a button just underneath. Oh, let's make this one a little bit narrower so it doesn't stick out. Yeah, there you go. So easy. You take what's already there, just put what you want in and adapt it. That would be one easy way to make a little graphic, a promo graphic for your book. You can also get these things called templates that you can buy. So there's hundreds of templates on Canva itself that you can use. Also, you can buy templates. For example, I've got a set which is for sale on Etsy, where you've got these templates like this. So what you'd have is you open the template, and once your template is open, if you get this kind of picture with the hills and the sky, that's called a frame. And where you have a frame, you can just drag and drop an image into it. So you get one of these templates, you grab your book cover, let's use that one, and just drag and drop, and then save it, share, download, and save it. Then you've got a nice pretty picture to use to advertise your book. These cost about, I don't know, mine cost about $2.99, I think, for a bundle of 5, but you get anything from a bundle of about 100 for £30. So yeah, that's another very easy way to get started making promotional graphics on Canva. Right, that's it. If you found this useful, please tell your friends, tell all your author friends, and don't forget to like and subscribe because it really helps me to keep doing these. If there is anything that you would like me to cover, let me know in the comments and I'll do you a video. All right. Thank you very much. Bye.